Is your high electricity bill giving you a headache? Anchor Solix F3800 Plus is here to save the day with the Home Power Panel. The feature of local energy saver can fully utilize 100% of its converted solar energy from solar panels and combine with the grid power to power the whole home by AC coupling. By doing so, the F3800 Plus monitors electricity consumption of your appliances, from your refrigerator, washer, dryer, or home entertainment system. It can easily power them all from solar. Even store the excess power from solar panels into F3800 Plus as your power backup, constantly reducing the usage of grid electricity. But the F3800 Plus helps us save on bills in even more ways. When electricity prices rise during peak hours, it uses time of use mode to release the electricity stored during the off-peak period in the daytime to power during peak hours, reducing the amount of grid electricity used during the peak period, and in return, save tons on electricity costs. Looking at it as a whole, Local Energy Saver saves us up to $5,000 in electricity bills each year. To free us from worrying about high electricity bills again,